I'm still on the western boundary of Ninghan Station on the shores, the eastern shore of the fairly narrow part of Mongers Lake, and what you can see in front of you across the short stretch of salt encrusted bottom of the lake is a whole series of stones, and they're about 30 to 50 metres in length. And that, I think, is the original Lucky Crossing. For most of the year, this lake has a thin crust of salt and perhaps gypsum, and if you tread off the path, for most of the year you're going to sink up to your waist, or certainly up to your knees, in this horrible sticky mud. And this is a construction of the Badamaya people to traverse Lucky Crossing, or traverse Mongers Lake, and to do it in a way which is efficient. And I'm just panning a little bit to the south. I haven't seen this feature before because the last time I was here there was mud encasing it, but I think this is another Lucky Crossing. I'll call this Lucky Crossing number 2. I'm walking out to it and it's partly covered with some mud, but you can see there's definitely a stone walkway, and I could imagine people walking from rock to rock across this feature to get to the other side. So I think there's actually 2 original Lucky Crossings, and then there was the other one which was used for horses and wagons, and today for cars. And panning back to where the 2 original Lucky Crossings are, you can see why this particular area wasn't taken up as a point of exit or entry from the lake. It's too rugged and too steep for horses or for wheel-drawn vehicles. So the pioneers, the pastoralists, have gone further to the north, and you can see just in the distance the edge of the modern Lucky Crossing. The interesting thing about this area is if we go a little bit to the west of where I am now, you'll find 2 fireplaces, and they are completely in line with the first Lucky Crossing, the Lucky Crossing that I'm taking you to have another look at now. And I can't date these fireplaces, but it really intrigues me. I wonder if the Badamaya people didn't have some sort of signalling system to let people know, okay, you've arrived, the pathway across the lake is just in front of you, heading straight towards Mount Singleton. So I'm going to head up to the fireplace and give you a quick look at those. They're probably modern, but hey, this is archaeology, we can hypothesize.